This diagram illustrates the June 2026 update, a transition from fragmented legacy file imports to a unified AI-ready agentic layer. Operating in this environment requires moving from static historical dashboards to real-time applications driven by proactive AI agents. Copilot in web modeling analyzes your semantic models and identifies structural improvements automatically through simple natural language prompts. With Fabric apps, those same semantic models serve as the backend for custom-tailored web applications. AI coding agents build these apps directly from specifications, handling complex engineering requirements like persona-specific views and custom business logic. This Copilot optimization funnel shows that without metadata hygiene, specifically human-readable naming and synonyms, AI accuracy drops by 20%. By bridging semantic models and coding agents, analytics teams can deploy secure, operational data apps without heavy engineering overhead. The new Desktop Bridge preview allows AI agents to connect directly to a running Power BI desktop session, creating a continuous edit and verify loop. This enables a 5-stage automated reporting pipeline, beginning with gathering requirements, selecting visual standards, and generating report files. The agent then captures screenshots for visual review during the validation phase and deploys the finished report to a workspace via the command line. This natural language orchestration replaces manual file editing with a faster, automated workflow. This update introduces DAX User-Defined Functions, allowing logic to be defined once with typed signatures and reused across measures and columns. The new date picker slicer automatically rolls forward as data refreshes, ending the need for manual monthly updates. Matrix auto-expand now defaults new hierarchy levels to an open state, while sentence tooltips provide data-driven narratives without requiring custom DAX. These enhancements reduce the gap between asking a business question and receiving a trusted answer. Deploying these AI and Fabric integrated experiences requires moving reports to the PBIR format to enable meaningful source control. Implementing this requires 4 steps: auditing legacy imports, moving to Fabric F SKUs, enforcing AI hygiene, and adopting Git-integrated PBIR. Power BI has evolved into an AI-powered analytics and application development ecosystem.